So Dan, aside from changing the filter cartridge or cleaning the tank, is there any part of the tap we need to take care of?
Yeah, there's one little detail on the tap that should be maintained occasionally, okay? So at the end of the spout here, in the outlet, there's a small mesh called an aerator. I've got one here, this little cartridge.
Oh, okay.
So that has a fine metal gauze on there, and its job is to keep the flow of the water nice and uniform.
Right, okay.
And if any particles of debris come through, due to some building work or some plumbing work that's been going on, if there's new plumbing that's not been flushed through 100%, that can get trapped in the end of the spout.
Okay.
So the solution is to unscrew the aerator. So the aerator is accessed by undoing the outlet of the spout.
Okay.
This unscrews like this. No tools required.
It's very simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there?
Yeah, it's just threaded on the normal directional thread, and inside is the aerator. So we can take that out. There's a lowering there. And if there's any particles of debris there, we can just brush that off and make sure that's nice and clean.
It's nice just to do it anyway, even if you haven't had building work done or it's not a new, it's just nice just to, you can get to it so easily and keep it clean. Why wouldn't you?
It's a good idea to have it as part of just your routine. So I would personally just do this each time I change the filter.
Yeah.
Everything goes back together, screw it back into place.
Amazing.